Hello class 10 children, as you all know that we are doing part A, and in part A we are doing ICT skills, that is information and communication technology skills. Now yesterday I discussed with you creating and editing a document, part 1. Now today we are going to discuss creating and editing a document in Apache OpenOffice Writer, part 2. Now first of all, what is the difference between, the first topic says it is inserting and over typing the text. Now what is the difference between the two? Inserting the text refers to adding the text to already existing text, and over typing means replacing the old text with the new one. These things you have also done in MS Word. How to insert text between already existing Word document and how to replace the text. So replacing is also known as over typing the text. Now to insert the text, what you will be doing is you will be pressing the insert key from your keyboard to turn on the insert mode, which is indicated by INSRT appearing on the status bar. As you can see in the video also, this is the status bar and it is showing, I've just mentioned page, and here you have INSRT to insert any character or text between the existing text. Now sometimes you may need to type and replace the current text. This can be done using the overtype mode. Now to overtype the text, what you will be doing is you will again be pressing the insert key from the keyboard, or you will be clicking on INSRT on the status bar again to turn on the overtype mode. Now here the overtype mode will be indicated by over appearing on the status bar. It is clear in the video also that instead of INSRT, that time it will be replaced by over when you have to overtype the text. Now next is inserting a blank line. Now there are two existing lines in a document and you want to insert a blank line between them. For example, you have written an essay on, say, Republic Day. The first line you have written that Republic Day means that this day the Republic of India, that means the B.R. Ambedkar drafting committee, it gave the constitution to India. The next line says it was given by B.R. Ambedkar. Now you want to insert that in between the year when it was given. So this is how it will go, that how to insert a blank line between the two existing lines. Now you will place the cursor at the end of the line which you want to insert the blank line, then press enter. This you have also done in MS Word, that if you want to insert a blank line between two existing lines, then you just press enter. You will notice the next line will get shifted down and then a blank line is inserted. Then deleting the text, you can easily delete a character, word or a block of text in OpenOffice Writer similar to MS Word. In order to delete a character, you will position the cursor to the left of the character with the help of your mouse, and then you will press the delete key. Now or you can even use the backspace key for that. Now to delete a block of text. Block of text means a group of lines or words. Then select the text to be deleted with the help of your shift key along with the arrow key, or directly with the help of mouse, then press delete or backspace. Now to delete a word, you can even use the shortcut key, that is Control plus delete. All these things can be done. Or Control plus backspace, it will also help you delete the word that you want to delete. Then undo and redo commands. Now what is the difference between the two? Undo command is used to reverse the last action, while the redo command is to reverse the last undo action. These two commands are related. Now to reverse the last action, that means to undo a task, you can either go to edit button and then you have there undo option in the drop down menu, or you can directly click on the undo button on the status bar. The shortcut key for undoing is Ctrl+Z. Now in order to redo, that means you want to reverse the last action, the last undo that you have done. You want to reverse it, that is redo. So again, you can click on the redo option from the edit menu, or you click on the redo button on the standard toolbar. Now here one thing you have to remember, that as long as there is nothing in redo, the redo command will show up as a repeat command. The function of the repeat command is to just repeat the last thing. Obviously, if there is nothing in undo, it cannot be redo. So instead of that, you will find there a repeat command. Now next is copying the text. Now copying and moving. Copying refers to when we have to copy the text from one place to another. That means there are two copies of the same text made at two places, while moving refers to removing the text from the original position and then moving it to a new position. In the copy, there are various ways to copy the text from one place to another and then paste it. Either you go to edit menu and click on the copy option, or you click on the copy button on the standard toolbar, and then again the paste button is there on the paste option is there in the edit menu, or the paste button is there in the standard toolbar. The shortcut key for copy is Ctrl+C, while for paste it is Ctrl+V. Then moving the text. In moving the text, what you can do is you can easily move the text from one position to another using the cut and paste commands. Again, the cut option you can find in the edit menu or on the standard toolbar, and the paste option is there in the edit menu itself. Again, for cut paste, the shortcut keys are Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. So this is how we can copy and move the text from one place to another. These steps, the basic functioning of copying and moving is same as in MS Word. Just the thing is, here as you had in your MS Word, you had a ribbon, and so here you have a standard toolbar and you have the edit, you have the complete file menu similar to MS Office. So children, just to conclude, I want to say that the basic functioning of your Apache OpenOffice Writer, because it is also a word processor, the basic functioning is same as MS Word. Just the thing is that the interface is different, the options have changed. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.